my name is Gabriela. I'm from the Czech Republic and we came to Melbourne in September 2017 when I started my CAE course preparation for the CAE exam. I wanted to go to Australia since I was 6 years old and I first heard of the country where people walk upside down. So it was my lifelong dream, and basically when I finished my studies in the Czech Republic, I told my boyfriend, let's move to Australia and see what happens. So I really loved my class. We were a really good group. I had two teachers, Mark and Tim, and both of them were really great. They had different approach for teaching, which was great because every time every week changes. So sometimes you like more talking, sometimes you like more studying and grammar. So we had both of that, which was great. I met a lot of international students from all over the world, basically. We switched numbers and hopefully we will see each other soon. We invited each other, obviously, to visit our countries, and we have a place to stay. So back in the Czech Republic, I was involved in fashion. I started as a sales assistant, obviously, then I went to brand manager, stylist, fashion coach, etc. Now I'm involved with Fashion Revolution, which is an organization that raises awareness of the fashion industry and how it works today. So now with Discover, we are preparing a month of fashion where you can learn all sorts of stuff, from sewing some simple projects to discovering about how the fashion industry works today and the ways we can change it. So if you want to improve your language, I definitely recommend Discover. We had so much fun with our classmates, with our teachers. Even my boyfriend at the moment is having a great time with his teachers, even though his English or his level is CBE, which is super hard. And yeah, come to Melbourne.